Hey class, I'm your virtual science helper, Mr. Bob, and today we're going to talk about dominant and recessive alleles. For every physical and behavioral trait that we inherit from our parents, we get at least one gene from our mother and one gene from our father. And every gene has many different versions called alleles. Some versions of a gene are dominant alleles. Dominant alleles are stronger, so they're more likely to be expressed. Some versions of a gene are recessive alleles, which are weaker or less likely to be expressed. But while alleles have a different likelihood of being expressed based on their dominance, all alleles have the same likelihood of being passed from parent to offspring because alleles are passed on randomly. For example, this letter M represents the gene for eye color passed on by the mother. It's like a coin, with one side brown and the other side blue. So we can flip it to randomly determine whether she passes on the dominant allele for brown eyes or the recessive allele for blue eyes. With a similar letter F coin for the father, we can now determine which allele will be expressed in their offspring. If both parents pass on the dominant brown allele, their offspring will have brown eyes. But if one parent passes on the dominant brown allele and the other passes on the recessive blue allele, what color will their offspring's eyes be? Brown, because it is dominant. Only if both parents pass on the blue allele will their offspring have blue eyes. Remember, our physical traits are expressions of our genes which we inherited randomly from our parents. But the versions of our genes, called alleles, are expressed based on their dominance over each other. I'm Mr. Bob, your virtual science helper. Have a great day.